Hello everyone, I'm José Alberto and today we will see JavaScript to visually transform google.com with just 4 console commands. These aren't hacks, okay? They demonstrate JavaScript's power to manipulate web pages in real time. Remember, JavaScript is a language for code, okay? And it's usually used in web development. So companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, they use JavaScript. And here, I know that we just do some hacks or some magics, but I just want to show you the power of this language, yes, in our browser. And for this video, I'm going to use Google Chrome, okay? So here, I open up the Google, and how can you change it, this browser, okay? First, we can let's start with a simple browser alert. So we can click with right button, mouse. We can hear an expression, right? We are see all this code, console, right? We can delete that, okay? Control L, and we can clear it, or we can press F12, okay, in console. And here we can create instance alert. Say, oh, hello world, here, and oh yes, Google are saying me hello world. Oh, that's amazing. Let's come back. Oh, what we can do. So this is how website shows important notification from login errors to secret warnings, okay? They use alerts, right? Now let's add some style text to the page, okay? You can see just const a text box, right? Equals, it's going to be our document. Let's create element like here div, right? And text box, text content, and XR is going to be JavaScript Control Magic. Let's say like Control Magic, right? Oh, sorry about that. We can finish because with const, it's const text box, right, equals document but create element here. So we are creating an element here, right, and text box. Yes, we created our constant text box and text content. So JavaScript Control here a JavaScript Control Center, right? Appears that's really amazing. So point to the new element appearing top right, okay? And we can enable dark mode in Chrome. Let's come back here, let's clear all that. Okay, you can see like JavaScript Control Magic. Yes. And we Control Magic, amazing. And we can like document first tip. What we can do for instance document, yes, body style, right, style here, yes, background, you can use our background, yes, something like that. So let's press, oh yes, we can enable dark mode on Chrome. So real websites are similar code for their dark mode toggles. Alright? So what more we can do? We can create banners. Yes, let's create a banner. Banner like document create element. So we'll create another element like div. So banner text content. Like let's insert a little text like that. Oh, I just hacked Google. And banner style size. Oh, is it dark? We can continue adding there. Alright, and you're going to see that is going to be amazing. Yes. So I finished the code. Alright, and let's press enter. See, so I just hacked Google. Oh my god. Show this is for show a good banner. Yes, dominate the top of the page. Are you see that? That is really amazing. So this is demonstrate how JavaScript can modify page content before anything else loads, just like an blocker or accessibility tools do, right? So in 4 comments we have trigger an alert, add customs UI elements and change the theme, and dominate the pages with a banner. Alright, but remember, these changes only affect your browser. So if anyone in another country, in another city enter in Google, so Google is going to be like that? No, it won't. So try experiment with different colors, tests, or even adding interactive buttons. Okay, so drop your creations in the comments. Alright, and subscribe for more web experiments too. So let's just refresh the page and you're going to see Google is normal too. I hope you have liked this video, and goodbye.